ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णा प्रेम प्रदायिने कृष्णाय कृष्णा चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरद्विषे नमः। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकं। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतश्चार्थे सुभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः। तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। स्वस्ति अस्तु विश्वस्य खलः प्रसीदतां ध्यायन्तु भूतानि शिवं मिथो धिया। मनश्च भद्रं भजतादधोक्षजे आवेश्यतां नो मतिरप्यहेतुके। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 11, Verse 21. So we read how Krishna was playing with his friends on the bank of Yamuna, and then Rohini went to call him, but he was very much absorbed. Then Yashoda went and got him back home and gave him food. So now new subject comes into play, how they will move from Gokul to Vrindavan. Sri Shuka uvacha gopavruddha mahotpatan anubhuya brihadvane nandadaya samagama vrajkaryam mantrayan तत्रोपनंदा नामः गोपो ज्ञानवयोधिकः देशज्ञानार्थतत्त्वज्ञः प्रियकृतराम कृष्णयोः. Sri Sukdev said that the elderly Gopas, they understood that there are a lot of problems which are coming in that Brihadvan. So they all assembled together, headed by Nanda Maharaj, and had a meeting that what should be done, because so many problems have come there after Krishna's birth. So Vrajakaryam amantrayan. So what has to be performed regarding this obstacles. So there then Upananda, he spoke. Upananda, Tatra Upananda, Naam Aha Gopa. So Gopa, whose name was Upananda, who is supposed to be elder to Nanda Maharaj, although his name is Upananda. Upa means near, can be this way or that way. So Jnana Vayodhika, he is senior in knowledge and also in age. And Desa Kalartha Tattvajna, he is the knower of what has to be done at a particular place, particular time, in a particular situation. And specifically he wants to take care of Balaram and Krishna. So Priyakrit Rama Krishnaya. So he was very much in love with Balaram and Krishna and wanted to see that nothing happens to them, no harm comes to them. So therefore he advised that what we should do in this situation. Otherwise there can be big problems. So this is what he gave the advice in the following slokas. So Mahavane vihatya evam vihritya evam vijihirsham yadajani vrindavane harestarhi eva upanando rarajaki. So Vishwanath Chakravarti says that it was actually the wish of Krishna to move out of that place, and then only Nanda or Upananda got the idea that how they should move from here and go to some other place. So Harehe Vrindavane Vijihirsha Yada Ajani, when the desire to go to Vrindavan and play there came, so then Upananda, he spoke the following words. Upanando Nanda Rajasya Jeshto Mantri iti Prajya. So Upananda, the commentary, is it Upananda? Here it says Upananda, it should be Upananda. So he is the elder brother of Nanda and also his counselor, because he is very intelligent. So he gave the counsel. So he said, Uttatavyam ito asmabhi gokulasya hitaishibhi ayanti atra mahotpata balanam nasha hetavaha. He said that we should move out of this place looking after the welfare of Gokula. And why is that? Because all the time big problems, Mahautpata, they are coming to destroy our children, especially Rama and Krishna, Balaram and Krishna. So Balanam Nasha Hetavaha Mahotpata Atra Ayanti. So a lot of troubles are coming in this place. So better we move from this and not stay here anymore. So this is the advice he gave to all of them. So Gokulasya Gokulvasi Matrasya. So looking after the welfare of Gokula means the residents of Gokula, because the trouble was not only for Krishna and Balaram, but all the people who were there, they all were in difficult situation because of that. So therefore he said that we should leave this place and where to go, so that he explains. Muktah kathinchid rakshasya balagnya balako hiyasau harer anugraha tranuna atrunam manaschaupari napatat. So he said that this boy, he was to be killed by this Rakshasi, Balagani, Putana Loka Balagani, so Rudrashana. So she came to kill him, but somehow he was saved, Kathanchit, by the good fortune he was saved. And this is only because of the grace of Hari, Vishnu, Hare Anugrahat, Nunam Anaschaupari Napatat, that this cart did not fall on him, because he was sleeping under the big cart and the cart was kicked away, but nothing happened to him. So he says somehow he has been protected by the grace of our Vishnu, but we should not take chance, we should move out from here. Then Chakravatena Nitoyam Datyena Vipadam Vyat Shilayam Patitastatra Paritrataha Sureshwarai. Then he was uplifted by the whirlwind, the Datya Trinavarta, and he was put into difficult situation. Vipadam Vyat. He was taken into the sky in place where birds fly. And then from there, this Datya fell down on a big stone, but nothing happened to this boy. So Paritrata Sureshwarai. He was protected by Sureshwara. So Chakravatena Trinavartena Vyat Akasham Vipat Prapakatvad Vipadam. So the big whirlwind came and uplifted him into the sky, where he was in a difficult position. But Sureshwarai, Sureshwarena, here the plural of Sureshwara is only for Sureshwara one. Out of respect it is used, because Sureshwara is only one, and that is Vishnu. So Vishnuna Bahutvam Gauravena. So the plural is used out of respect. So Tatrapi iti Uttar Vakya Apikarat. So there also he was given protection. Yatra mriyeta drumyor antaram prapya balakah asau anyatamo vapi tadapi achyuta rakshanam. And now recently these big 2 trees were uprooted and he could have died there. Some other children might have also died, but that day also they were protected by Achyuta. So they have been protected all this time, but who knows what can happen. So we should move away from this place. Asau Krishna Yavad Otpatiko Risto Vrajam Nabhi Bhavedita Tavad Balan Upadaya Yasyamonyatra Sanuga. So now before another problem comes, we should leave this place. So Yavad Otpatiko Aristo. So another situation, troublesome situation, which can cause death to children, to us, to our cows. So we should leave. Tavad Balanam, taking our children, we should go to some other place along with all our family members. सो पूर्वम् अस्मिन् नगरे विष्णुकथा कीर्तन दर्शन परिचर्यादिकं बहुतरम् आसीत्। यावन्नन्दस्य बालकोऽयं भूत् तावद् आस्थान्यादिषु सर्वत्र अस्यैव कथा कीर्तन दर्शनादिकं प्रतिक्षणं भवति। अतः तादृशं च कुतो अस्माकं सम्प्रति तद्भजनं येन सदा विष्णुना एव रक्षा स्यात्। अतस्तदिष्ट नीति शास्त्रमेव अनुसरणीयम् इति आह। So he says, previously we were living here and we were always engaged in the kirtan bhajan of Vishnu. So all the time there was Vishnu Katha, Vishnu Kirtan, Vishnu Darshan, Vishnu Paricharya. Since the time this boy has born, there is only his Katha, his talk, and there is no Vishnu Katha anymore. So we have been protected because previously we were doing Vishnu Katha all the time. So now we better go to some place where we can continue our Vishnu Katha. Otherwise, problem can come again. So he says, let's go to some place, tad bhajanam yena sada Vishnu, where we can do his bhajan, Vishnu's bhajan. That all has stopped. Now everywhere Krishna, this Krishna did this, Krishna fell down, Krishna trees, Krishna cart. He says all these stories are happening, but we have no time now to do Vishnu bhajan. So better move away from here. So this is Tadadishta Niti, so we should follow the Niti given by Vishnu himself, that we should think of him, remember him, worship him. So before some problem comes, let's move from here. So where shall we go? That also he is telling. So Vanam Vrindavanam Nama Pashavyam Navakananam Gopa Gopi Gavam Sevyam Punyadri Trinavirudham. So we should go to the forest called Vrindavan. So they are living in Brihadvan. Now they should move from there to Vrindavan. So what is Vrindavan? It says that Vrindavanam is Pashavyam. So Pashavyam means Pashubhyahitam, where there is nice grass, water, place to graze. Here there is not much place because Gokul, then Yamuna, then Mathura. So there is lot of grass there, there is mountain, Giri Govardhan, and Yamuna is also there. Previously Yamuna was coming from there. Yamuna had changed course. Previously Yamuna went to Nandagaon, Barsana, Govardhan, then came like that. So now also Yamuna has gone away from here. It was flowing through Kalidai. So it says Vanam Vrindavanam Nama Pashavyam Navakananam. So this is a Navakanana, this is a new forest. And Gopa Gopi Gavam Sevyam. So it will be very pleasing for the cows, for the cowherd men and cowherd women. Punyadri Trinavirudham. There is this wonderful mountain, there are nice grass, creepers, fruit trees. So better place than here. So we should go there. So न च अस्मत् प्राचीन राजधानी नंदीश्वरो गंतुम शक्य यद भयाद अत्र नंदीश्वरात् पलाय अत्र महावने वयम अवसाम तस्य अरिष्टस्य संप्रति अपि तत्रैव स्थितः. So he says that previously it seems that they were living in Nandishwara, but one Asura came there, Arishtasura, and because of the fear of that they left and came to Gokul. So Mahamuni Vayam Avasana. So now Arishtasura is still there, or some other demon, Arishta may be his name, but Nacha Braj Bhumer Anyatri Asa Sambhave Darojkatvadev Tasmat Nandishwar Mahavan Your Madhyavarti Sthanam Eva Avas Artham Yajyate. So we don't want to leave Vrajbhumi and go somewhere else. So let's go in a mid place, mid between Nandishwara and Mahavan. And that is what is Vrindavan is. So we should go and be there so that we will be in a safe place. So thinking like this, he spoke this verse. Pashavyam Pashubhyo Hitam. Pashavyam means which is good for Pashu, animals. Navani Kananani Avantarani Yatra. So what is the meaning of Navakanan? What is new forest? Means there are many forests inside that. Tatra Tatra Deva Yashyame. But when shall we go there? So he says today is a good muhurt. We should leave today only. So you see now people want to travel, they make plan for months. So they will leave permanently, same day. If you travel, you make plan, you're traveling and coming back, and you take so much time. They're going to move after the meeting is over, then they leave. So tata tatra deva yasyama shaktan yungta ma chiram godhan ani godhanani agrato yantu bhavtam yadi rochate. So he says, my dear sirs, if you like, let's leave today. So adyeva yashyama, we will go today only. So you yoke your carts, put the bulls into the carts and chariots, and let's move. So how we will move? Godhanani agrato yantu. So let the cow be in the front, and behind we will walk with our bullock carts and go to Vrindavan. So tattasmat tatra Vrindavane bhavatam bhavadve. So where do we go? We go to Vrindavan. When do we go? We go today, if you like. Yadi rochte, bhavatam rochte. So tachrutva dhiyo gopa. So tato sascha, right? Tachrutva. So he says taschashe tat, right? Taschashe, and then shaicha, two sutras. Tachrutva ekadhiyo gopa sadhu sadhu iti vadine vrajan swan swan samayujya yayurudha parichad. So after hearing this, they all agreed. He said, very good, very good. Nobody raised any objection. Nobody said, why today, why not tomorrow, why not after a few days. Will give us some time to pack our things. No, they already packed. Have you seen these people who always move with their carts? Sometimes they used to also come and park outside here in the Chatikra Road. Out just this side of Vrindavan Research Institute on the road, they put their bullock and they mostly do the blacksmith work. So they're called Bhuvadia. So, Ghumakkad nahi hai, they actually do the work. They go from village to village and they do the iron work. They make sieve, they make plow things, all iron stuff which are used in the houses, the sickle, all this kind of work they do. But they keep on moving.
Now also coming in villages.
Yeah. आते हैं ना
पूरा एक गांव पूरा रहते हैं खेती में, वहाँ अपना टेंट लगा के अपना गाय भैंस ऊंट सब लाते हैं.
So they move like that. They have their cows, their bulls, buffaloes, camels, and goats, and dogs, and their bullock carts. So their things are always loaded in the cart only. They remove whatever is needed, keep it just like their room. Their bullock carts are like, these days they have these mobile homes.
सब मोबाइल चार्ज करने के लिए हमारे पास है.
So now they have mobile phones also. Only thing is they have to go to somebody's house to charge it.
राजस्थान से आए थे.
Yeah, they keep on wandering. So Brajvasis were also like this only. People are always thinking they are living in some golden palace and they are having this and that. If that is the case, why Krishna was under the cart? And he kicked the cart. Why he is playing in mud? But people imagine like that he is living in some marble palace. And there's no such thing. He has all the opulence, he can have whatever he wants, but actually this is the life. Otherwise, how is it that they could move right same day? Chalo. So there also it was described when he kicked the cart, then all the yogurt fell down, the milk that was hanging on that. This is their house. They used to have big bullock carts where you can have two bulls pulling it, 4 bulls pulling it, 8 bulls pulling it. Small size chakada, the shakat. It's called chakada. Anna is another name. So he says, Tachutva ek dhiyo gopa. So gopas are ek dhiya. You see, this is now very difficult. Now you cannot have husband and wife having ek dhiya. Ek dhiya means same mind. Now here the whole Gokula was ek dhiya. Can you believe this? This is, you cannot imagine now, but I have seen this. In the village people were like that. Wherever they do what they do, everybody just goes to that direction. If the wind is blowing to left side, everybody is bent to left. If the wind moves to the right, everybody bends to right. Now, everybody is in a different corner in one house. So this is a different Sanskriti, different culture. This is how Vedic culture was. The people were together. So Tachrutva ek dhiyo gopa. So therefore there are no problems. Now problems in one house because there is no agreement. So here they got agreed. Now you try to do it in one house, you say that let's move this place and go to another place. Try it. Immediately so many arguments will come. So he says, after hearing this, the Gopas, and what is the qualification? The qualifier of the Gopa is Ek Dhiya Gopa. The Gopas who had one dhi means their mind was one. There are many, but one mind, like the Kaya Vyuha of a yogi. So yogi expands his body into 49 forms. He is one, but he thinks same in 49 minds. This is how they were. So ek dhiya gopa, sadhu sadhu. Everybody said the same thing, sadhu sadhu. Right? Iti vadina. Everyone said very nice, very nice. So Vrajan swan swan samayujya. So what did they do? So they got all their cows together. Vraja here means the cows which were wandering here and there. He says, bring them samayujya. Yayu rudha parichada. So they all moved. Rudha parichada. Parichada means all their paraphernalia, whatever they had, some buckets. The cooking with wood, which comes from the forest, so you don't have to carry your gas cylinder. And you also don't have some big stove. You make it wherever you go, you make it on the ground. So few pots are there, some matkas made from mud, and cloths, and some buckets and ropes, and then chalo. Simple life. So Rudha Paruchada means they loaded their bullock carts with their stuff and they moved. So Vrajan Vrajvartir Gavadin Ekatra Melitva Arudha Shaktani Arudha Parichada Yeshanti. So their cows, buffaloes, goats, whatever they were there. So there is no mention of camels, but there is a mention of Aja Mahishya Gava. Later on it will come that Krishna had cows and buffaloes and also goats. All three. So they got them together and then put their stuff in the carts and moved. Simple. Don't have to buy a ticket. So Vruddhan, Balan, Striyo, Rajan, Sarvopakarnani cha Anah Swaropya Gopala Yatta At Sarasanaha Godhanani Puraskritya Shringanya Purya Sarvataha Turya Ghoshena Mahata Yayu Saha Purohitaha. So what they did that the old people, Vriddhan, Balan, children and women and all their belongings, they were put in the cart. Means the children, ladies and old people, they sat in the carts and young people, middle-aged people, they walked. So this is how they went. And Yatta Ata Sarasana. And some of them were carrying bow and arrows. So they also had a bow and arrow for protection. Ata Sarasanaha. And Godhanani Puraskritya. They put the cows in front. There is no mention of horses. They must have some horse also. So Shringani Apurya Sarvata. And then they were blowing on the horn. So you think that horn is only now, right? Now in the car you have a horn. So they also had horn in their bullock carts. And in India they like to blow horn. In the West you don't see horn blowing. In India you see the truck, it is written back side of the truck, blow horn please. Otherwise, why do you have it? If you cannot blow the horn, Why have it, tell me? I don't know why in the West they put horn in the car. Nobody uses it. It's a waste. So in India we make use of horn. And this is a tradition which is 5,000 years old at least. So everybody said, let's blow horn. So Sringani, Apurya, Sarvata, all around. Not one or two. Everybody was blowing horn. So Turiya Ghoshena. So this was a big sound. Turiya. They also had other instrument. Turiya Ghoshena, Mehta. So big sound. Yayu Saha Purohita. So they also had their Purohita, the Brahmanas, in the front, leading them, the cows, and behind them they were going and playing their music, singing songs. Ladies, children are sitting in the bullock cart, they are singing, and it's a big party. And no one ever thought that how are we going to leave this place? We were born here, we grew up here, this is our birthplace. So there is no attachment like this. They are Brajvasis moving in Braj. That's why it is called Braj. Braja means place where you move. Right? Braj Dhatu. Brajati means goes. So it's a place where not only the cows move, the people also move. It's not stagnant. Everything moves. That's why Braj. So yatta prayatnavanta. So prayatnavanta means that they made this effort, yat dhatu, and they moved. Gopyo rudharatha nutna kuchkumkum makantayah Krishna lila jaghu pritya nishka kantya suvasasaha. So although they were in like this, but they also had a lot of ornaments. Even these people who move now in bullock carts, if you see the ladies, they have a lot of ornament. They will have these in the hand, thick ones, in the feet, in the neck, in the ears, everywhere. So much ornament they have. So gopis, you see, is described right here like this. So it says gopis rudha ratha, they were riding on the chariot. So they also had chariots. Nutna kucha kumkuma kantaya. So they were nicely decorated. They had kumkum on their breast and they were looking very beautiful. And they had a nishka kantha. Nishka kanthi. So nishka is a different type of. These days I don't see. Previously in the villages they used to have this kind of, it's kind of a necklace they make, but it is made from this round golden like coin. So that is called nishka. So they are round like big sized golden coins and they are stringed together and they wear them. So that is called nishka. So nishka kanthi means that they had this kanthi mala made from nishka. And suvasasaha, and they were nicely dressed. So that is the advantage of being a woman. You get a lot of ornaments and nice clothes to wear. Men were having their simple dhotis. So, but what were they doing? Krishna lila jaguhu pritya. So everybody is devoted to Krishna. So out of great affection, they were singing Krishna lila. So already they had made songs about Krishna, and that's what they were singing while moving in the chariots and carts. Tatha, yes.
Commentary for 31-32 has not been, I think, done.
31-30 is not done? I just did it.
Commentary.
There is no commentary there.
So there is no commentary, but this downloaded version has some commentary from Vishwanath.
There is only one word, yatta prayatnavanta.
It's completely wrong. It's completely off this chapter.
Okay, he says there is a mixture.
Okay.
It's a mistake. There is no commentary. There is only one word he comments, yatta, which I read. Yatta means prayatnavanta, means with big effort they prepared. Because some slokas, I think 2-3 slokas previously, where it was description of the woman selling fruit, bho krinihi falani bho. So some people say that those slokas are prakshipta, their interpolation. Yes. So some people don't comment on them, some comment. So in this chapter there may be 10-12 slokas which considered as maybe not there. But anyway, Vishwanath Chakravarti and Jiva Goswami accept. So tatha Yashoda Rohini yao Vekam Shakatamastite Rejatu Krishna Ramabhyam Tatkatha Shravanotsuke. So Yashoda and Rohini, they both were in one cart, and along with them were Krishna and Balram. So they were very excited to go in a cart, because generally these village people, they don't travel much. So when it's occasion to go for some tirth yatras and traveling, it's very enthusiastically they do that, very happy. So they were all very excited, and quickly they made some food, because traveling you feel more hungry somehow. So they were very eager to hear what Krishna and Balram will say. So it is not described here, but in Gopal Champu and they will give much detail. But Krishna said, "What is this? What is this tree? What is that animal?" Now sees more animals going into the forest, deers, blue cows, maybe some wild pigs. So all these animals, birds of different variety. So he is asking. So therefore he says, Tat Katha Shravan Utsuke. So Yashoda and Rohini, they were very eager to be with these two boys and listen to them, what they are talking, what they are saying, what they are asking them. So they were very much relishing their company. So ekam shaktamiti dvayoreva putra dvaya viraha sahana shakti. So why were they in one cart? Was there shortage of carts? Nanda Maharaj must have many carts. So he says that they did not want that they be separated. If Yashoda and Krishna are in one cart, Balram, Rohini in another cart, then they are not happy like that. So dvayoreva putra dvaya viraha sahana. So both of them cannot tolerate separation from both of sons. So Yashoda also wants to be with Ram and Krishna, Balram and Krishna, and Rohini also wants to be with both of them. It's not that they are just happy being with their own son, but they want to be with both of them, and therefore they were put together. So Vrindavanam sampravishya sarvakala sukhavaham tatra chakru vrajavasam shaktair ardhachandravat. So then they entered Vrindavan, which is always pleasing, sarvakala sukhava, and there they spent the night. So Chakru Vrajavasam. So they spent the night there, and what they did, that they made a half moon shape of residence with the carts. So this Chatikara is supposed to be that place. You see that this word Chatikara itself comes from Shakata. So from Shakata it became Shatak, Chatikara. Because they walked from Gokul, stayed there, and then from there they moved to Govardhan. So it seems that this is where they stopped. As Bhagavatam does not say that this is their first stop or anything like that, but it looks like that. Especially it describes how they stayed here. So from this it looks like that this is where they stayed. It does not say that they moved from there, but when we hear that they saw Govardhan, that means they moved. But it is understood that they spent the first night here. So Ardha Chandra Vaditi Paschat Bhagam Prati Swadravya Sthapanartham Agra Bhago Vistirne Gavadinam Sukha Nirgama Artham Cha. So why they made it half moon shape? So it says that the back part they used for their own cooking, eating, staying, sleeping, and the front part in the middle and in front, that was for the cows, that they could graze and sit down. So this way they will protect the cows, because no wild animal can attack from the cart side, and in the front they are there, and there will be people in front also to protect them. So this is how they made like Chakravyuha arrangement. So Shakati Vata Paryanta Chandrardhakara Samsthite Iti Sri Vishnu Purane Cha Evam Taddine Shaktair Eva Chakru. So there is also a similar description found in Vishnu Purana, that Shakti Vata Paryanta Chandra. So they made their residence. Vata means residence with their Shakatas. Shakti Vata Paryanta Chandra Ardhakara Samsthita, and half moon shape. So Evam Taddine Shaktair Eva Chakru. So that day, that's how they made their residence with the carts. Dinantare tu yatha Shri Harivanse. But then next day there is a description in Harivans Purana. So Harivans Purana gives more detail. So then when they moved, then next day there says Kantaki bhi pravriddha bhi tatha Kantaki bhir drumai nirvato chrita shakha bhir abhiguptam samantata. So another day they surrounded themselves with thorny bushes and branches of trees which have thorn, so to protect that at night, because at forest, there are wolves, jackals, all these wild animals were there, so they can come and attack. So to protect from them, that's what they did. So Nirvato Chrita Shakha, the branches which had fallen down, Abhiguptam Samantata, that's how they protected themselves from all sides. Vrindavanam, Govardhanam, Yamuna Pulinani cha Vikshasiduttama Priti Ram Madhavayor Nripa. So now he describes that how Krishna felt. So he says that after seeing Vrindavan, seeing Govardhan and the bank of Yamuna, then it was very pleasing to Krishna and Balaram. So they became very happy, because in Gokula there is no Govardhan mountain. So now they have mountain, they have flat land, and they have Yamuna river. So it was a good place for them to play. So in Gokul it was alright, they were small children. Now they grown up, so they need more facility for playing. So that's why Krishna wanted to move from there and come to this side. So he was very happy that now we can go on the Govardhan mountain and play and have our calves and cows, and also go to the river, take dip and play on the bank. Evam brajokasham pritim yacchantau balacheshtitaihi kalvakyai svakalena vatspalo vabhuvatu. So in this way he was giving so much happiness and love to the residents of Braja by his balacheshta, means by his childhood activities, and by his kalvakyai, sweet voice. Small boy and he talks, everybody wants to hear what he is saying. Svakalena vatsapalo babhuvatu. And then in due course of time they became Vatsapala. So Gopal they became later on, first they became Vatsapala. So Vatsapala means those who are tending the Vatsa calves. Svakalena svauchit samayena. So as they became Komara from Bala, so around 5-6, so then they were very eager to take, because they want to play. They don't want to stay in the house. They want to go out and play, and it's a good excuse to go out with the calves. Then they are free to go anywhere and see the forest and be with the friends, eat different fruits and have different types of games. So that's what they started doing. Avidure vraj bhuva saha gopala darakaihi charyama shaturvatsan nana krida parichadau. So then, not far from Vraj, means their own place of residence, they started going with the other children, other cowherd boys, Gopal Darkai, and Charya Mastur Vatsan. So they will take the calves. So generally calves, they don't go for grazing separately. They stay at home, and cows they go. Only those calves which are not drinking milk anymore, then they start going with the calves. The calves which drink milk, they don't go with the cows, they stay at home. And then when the cows come in the evening, then they drink milk. But Krishna and Balram and other cowherd boys, they started going with the calves. So they had their own party. Cowherd men had their own party. So they were tending. But they will not go too far away. So it says Avidurai, Vrajbhuva, Saha Gopala Darkai, Charya Mastu Vatsan, and Nana Krida Parichadai. So here it is not described that what are the various instruments they will take with them, but it seems they had many like instruments or what you call toys to play. Parichada here simply means objects. Krida parichad means object for playing. So it is not described what they had, but it seems they had of various types. Nana. So maybe they are made from wood by the carpenters, or some cloth, making ball, sticks, playing with them like hockey, or maybe the ropes, jumping like the gymnastics. So, Gulli danda maybe, something. So they must have some games with this also. This comes from the sea, this small conches, you also make play with them. So these are the various types of plays they were having. So I'll stop here, we will continue to describe how they were playing in the forest. Hmm?
There is a game, a play. I saw the children sometimes they play. They have a small piece of wood, not very long, and then they have to hit it with a stick, and then they have to leave
That's
it.
what he was saying.
And then
That's called gilli danda.
really,
This is called gilli,
really,
and the big one is called danda,
yeah,
stick.
Yes, I didn't.
So you have to hit it on one side. When you hit it on one side, it jumps. And when it jumps, then you have to hit it.
It's not that easy.
And the other guy who will be standing, if he can catch it, then you're out.
Oh,
Catch up.
yes.
So it's very popular here in the village.
Vaji, did I
Yes.
understand correctly that you were saying that the homes of the Gopas were the cards themselves and not actual homes?
Maybe they had some huts or something.
For the rainy season.
Because rains come, so they have to protect. But it's not something big, some stone buildings. Because also rain is coming, they cannot sleep in the rain now, outside in the rain. Mobile homes.
The question here on the description of the gopis. So often it is said that they have kumkuma on the breasts, and I was wondering, like nowadays, I see the women, they cover the front side up to the neck. So was it different at that time? Were the breasts visible partly,
No, it's
or
covered. It's not visible.
so it's decorated and then put cloth above?
Yeah, it's just like you put various ointment on the body. It's not for show. So like you put perfume, it's not visible.
And at the time they were moving like this.
Okay.